Ah, hell nah, bro. They gotta sign up for this pink tutu wearing Goofy. Yo, bro, I'll literally hop over this fence and take little bro. Stop playing. Yo, who that? Yo, who that? Chill! Chill! I swear, this is the last time I ever changed in front of his cage, boy. Somebody come get this itty bitty hams ditty. The hell's you doing? Hey, my fault, twin. I'm trying to pour up real quick. Let me just borrow that bottle, bro. I'm gonna bring it back. Let me borrow the bottle. Let go of the bottle. Let go. Give me the bottle. Come on. That's tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy. The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo! Ooh, I'm telling. You caught a body, bro. What's wrong with you? Wait. We don't make mistakes, brother. It's all good.